welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia and I absolutely love playing around with colourful makeup. And this is Pep. Hey, you gonna go down on the floor? Yeah? Today I'm going to be playing with, it's a Revolution palette. I got this from a friend, from Lynn, for my birthday. I've actually got the clips in that she gave me as well for my birthday. So we're going to play with this. I'm going to create a look, probably a very colourful look. What I'll do is I'll open it up to show you. So you can see I'll just put my hand over the mirror so you're not getting any reflection back. But it's a very, very colourful palette. So I think what we'll do is we'll do a cut crease. It's a collaboration with Tammi, the Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll just get stuck right in. We'll do a cut crease and try and get as many of the colours on as we can. Now I've already got my foundation on, well, the base face, and I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk, and I've got my Hemish Artless base primer on underneath it. And we'll put this lipstick on. It's from the Grease collection with Revolution. I'm going to put that out, actually, I'm going to put it on just now. It's a nice pinky colour. Oh, that's quite nice. I've got a huge spot on the side of my face. I'm like, typical. I was going to film yesterday, but it was too hot. I felt like my face was melting, so I left it till today, and I woke up and I've got a huge spot. Anyway, right, let's get stuck right in. I think I'm going to use, this is like an angled brush. Oh, my brushes just fell on the floor. And I think we will start with the sort of orange shade here. They do have names, but I'll just point them out as we go along. I'm going to start here and just place a little bit there. And do the same at the other side. And I do have base on my eyes as well. It's Pale Wee's base. I just think if you use the colours stand out a bit more. We're next going to go into, I think, a sort of more pinky shade. Sorry, I'll keep putting because I don't want flashback. This one here. Next to it. So, and then I think we should go into the blue shades, I think. This one on the bottom here, like so. And flick out like so. Yeah, that looks not too bad. And then I'm going to take the yellow, and I'll keep placing my hand over it, but you'll get flashback. And we're going to blend out that first sort of shade, the orange, just over the top very lightly. Do the same at the other side. So, and then I'm going to go into the orange shade, sort of kind of lightly tickle over that pink. So, do the same on the other side. I'll take another fluffy brush, and with the blue, I think we'll go into more sort of greeny blue to blend out the last sort of shade. So, yeah, it's not too bad. And then for underneath the eyes, I think we'll go into the purple and maybe the green. The purple on the outer part. And we'll use the green for the inner. So, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat brush, and I think we're going to start off with this nice yellow shimmer, and we'll start just bringing some of the, I'm not going to go right across with the whole yellow, we'll try and get as many shimmers as we can in. We actually put it into the corners and eyes as well. I think we'll go into the greeny one here, so the greeny blue. Place that next to it, kind of thing. Yeah, it's my birthday next week, so this is a nice present that I got from a friend Lynn. So we'll create a look with it. And I do have other palettes coming. For my birthday. I've been looking at other ones. The VE Cosmetics is bringing out a new one that I think I really want to get my hands on. And then I think we're going to go into, the blue. Yeah. Just round like so, do the same on the other side. That's not too bad. Yeah, I quite like that. Next, I'm going to use, just moving the brush onto the table, I'm taking my Jenna Tutorials palette. That's just a palette falling onto the ground. And I'm going to go into this one and that one for my blush. And I've already got that on my brows as well. Sorry, I'm just going to grab that palette. Next, we're going to take, this is the only thing really that, that isn't Revolution, and obviously the Jenna Tutorial palette. I was trying to do as many Revolution things as I could. I'm going to use, it's an Odin's Eye highlighter. It's really, really pretty. And then next we're going to take, it's Essence Lash Princess mascara, and this one is for, just blending that in a bit, I feel like I've got big stripes down my cheeks today. This is to create more like a fake lash effect. I usually get the green one, but I couldn't get it, so I got the blue one. It's not bad, I do prefer the green one. The green one's my favourite. And I must say, in all my videos, this is a really cheap mascara. But it does what I want it to do. It lengthens and it thickens. Just felt like I was quite too yellow there. Next, I'm going to take my Tatty Lashes and my Dual Lash Liner. just take these clasps out now. These are really, really pretty. I like these a lot. That's the clasps that I got. And just try and fix the hair a bit, it's a little bit better. And this is the final look. It's very, very colourful. I like it. It's really, really nice. Really, really pretty. I hope you liked watching this quick tutorial that I did with this palette. And I'll be back again with another video very soon. If you've liked this video, please like it. Leave a comment if you've got any suggestions to makeup that I try. Again, leave a comment. Bye!